It really doesn't matter what your base and your exponent look like. They can be variables. You can still convert it. So here your base is 6 minus a. Your exponent is 3x plus 1. And your result is 5y. So you're going to circle all those things. 6 minus a is your base. 3x plus 1 is your exponent. 5y is your result. So again, I'm just going to write my exponent as the answer, because I know that's the answer to my log. 3x plus 1 equals log. I'm going to take my base, 6 minus a, make it the base of my logarithm, and the result goes inside the parentheses for my log. So the way I read this is log base 6 minus a of 5y equals 3x plus 1. So it's just illustrating that you can have variables anywhere you want in a logarithm. You're literally just breaking down the exponential expression into 3 different components and then moving them down to the logarithm. That's it.
What's your note say? Do not forget.
Do not forget parentheses. Don't forget parentheses. We learned that in calc. Like, we have these worksheets where they aren't clear about where the parentheses goes. In other words, if the parentheses were just around the 5 and then y after that, that's completely different than being around both the 5 and the y. So whatever your result is, you want to put in parentheses to be clear about that. Okay,